Assalamu Alaikum. How have you been, all my guys? Today, I will explain or I will describe very significant topic. So, you should listen with full attentively. And if you listen my speak, so you will be able to gain new something. So, the topic is some people they ask to me how to way I will memorize vocabulary. As a matter of fact, when I started English journey, that time, what would I do? I used to use, for example, today I have memorized five vocabularies. After memorizing, what I would do that I use the vocabulary in my personal life, in my conversation when I would talk with other people. That time, I would try to apply the vocabulary in the conversation. So in this way, this is the very easy to remind, this is the very easy to remember all the vocabulary. After completing memorize, I go outside and then I used real life thing. That means today, suppose today I have memorized about some three vocabularies. So after completing three vocabularies, I would go outside and I saw some tree. And when I would saw immediately, I repeat, this is the tree, this is the mango tree, this is the apple tree, this is the hot plum tree, this is the mango tree, this is the bamboo tree. In this way, I used to use this vocabulary. I used to memorize in this way. And I can say strongly, if we memorize in this way, so definitely you will be able to remind easily in your mind. And you will not forget next time. But one thing for that, when you will memorize vocabulary, so definitely you should apply in your real conversation. Every day you memorize 100 plus vocabulary, but if you don't use, so after that you cannot remember. You cannot you cannot keep in your mind. So you should not memorize more. Just you should memorize less or little. But whenever you will memorize, you should apply in your conversation all the vocabulary. Every day I memorize less, I memorize some, but after memorizing, I use in my conversation, I use in my real life. If you memorize in this way, so I can say your memorize skill will be strong. So you should not do that. You should just 5 or 10 vocabulary memorize and then you should apply in your real conversation. So thank you so much for watching my video.